gonna test out our new ratchet straps. Don't mind the debris on the trailer. It was sitting under the trees. Good. All right, so we finally get to test our straps. So, let's see. Open these up, extend out. I think I'm gonna go right to this bracket right there. Whoops. All right. Whoops. What's the matter? Put it in my cup holder. All right, so let's do this next one here. So I made these so I can turn them a little bit. Here, Jake, jump up here. Hook this one on that hook right there. See that? Yep. Just like that. All right, let's see. All right. So now the only thing with these is you don't have a lot of throw, but that's all right. Do that one. Get over here to this one. Whoops. Oh, them things work awesome. All right, do that one a little more. Now make sure that, all right, now, yep. Oh, that thing ain't going anywhere. All right, let's double check the back. So we also have the parking brake on the machine. I don't have to go far. All right, so this one's nice and tight. Give it a wiggle test back here too. That strap's tight. Feels tight?
Yeah.
Okay, we're good. All right, that's our quick ratcheting system. Also, the Gorilla Lift. That's the spring assist for the tailgate, which is a couple 100 pounds. And that, folks, is how we ratchet down our tractor. Now, if I was going further, I would actually use heavier straps that are more like 2,000 to 4,000 pounds. We're not going far, and I'm going back roads, so these are going to be fine. I would normally go right from the front to the front of the machine, and then from the very back to the back of the trailer, so that way if I rear end somebody, no diddy, or get rear ended by somebody else, no diddy, we wouldn't have any catastrophe. made it to our destination. Let's see how easy it is to unhook these things. Look at that, retract. I'll jump up there in a minute. Hold on, I gotta. Alright, let's get this front one. Since I can reach this. Look at that, look at that. Perfect. Took just a couple seconds. So all we need to do is reach down here, retract, retract.
Young man has some few modifications he want to let you know.
When I run my snowblower, I have a linear actuator I put on the chute. So this is just the connection for that, but I got it blocked off so it won't touch any metal or anything.
Perfect.
All right?
All right. We are free.
Thanks a lot. You too.
Oh, not with this cute girl.
That's a nice machine right there.
Well, you know what? Her daddy was telling me something about it.
All right, so you see just how easy that was. Worked out perfect. No problems. Those are the best retractable ratchets that I found.